Oh my god, they're such a normie.
Has anyone ever called you a normie? You're probably a normie if you don't know what a normie means. If you're new here, hello, my name is Syara. Most people know me as Chibi because that's what I go by when I do stream. Emotes are essentially emojis that are being used on Twitch. Don't let anybody hear you say emoji though, because that is such a normie thing. This kind of cuts all that learning curve short because now you're gonna know all the memes and all the Twitch emotes, or at least the most famous ones that you're probably gonna have to know. Without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we? Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. There's two different emote systems within Twitch. The first one being regular Twitch chat, and the second one being BTTV or Frankerfazy emotes. BTTV and Frankerfazy are extensions that you can install into your browser for people to upload custom emotes onto Twitch. Sometimes those emotes go viral and you will see them being spammed in a lot of different streams across the board all throughout the Twitch platform. I'll probably divide this video into two parts. Lesson 1. Let's start with the regular Twitch emotes. The first one that you gotta know is Vohayo. So this emote essentially just means hello. Number 2. We don't say lol here. We say lol. But really you kind of pronounce that as lol, but it's spelled with a U. There are two types of laughing emotes. There's lol and there's omega lol. Omega lol is part of Better TV. Whenever you hear someone streaming say omega lol or omega, that just means that they're laughing. It's kind of like an exaggeration of, oh my god, this is so funny. Don't get confused though. It's not oh my god, it's omega. Next up, and this is my personal favorite, Kappa. Kappa is used for sarcasm or to troll somebody. It's just like a very friendly type banter type thing when someone is saying something but they mean otherwise in a jokey manner. You're my favorite streamer, Kappa. It's kind of like an insult, and then you can just be like, just kidding. So Kappa just means just kidding. Hey, I'm gonna donate $500 right now, Kappa. Sometimes it may not be that good for streamers. Streamers use it too, like when they're joking about something, like, hey, I'm gonna get this 10 headshots easy, Kappa. And then we have a variation of Kappa called Kappa Pride. Kappa Pride is pretty much used kind of like in a bromance type of way, either to affirm that the other person is part of the LGBT community, or to kind of have like a bromance between your friends going all like, yeah, Kappa Pride. And this is one that I use all the time. Jebaited. Jebaited is used when you get tricked or pranked by someone. For example, a streamer is saying, hey guys, I'm gonna do a 24-hour stream today, and then you end up streaming for just 5 hours. That's a jebait. So chat will spam the emotes jebaited. Baby rage. Baby rage is one of my favorite emotes used when you're tilted or frustrated. You're kind of like whining, like, why did this have to happen to me? And then there's another anger emote, Swift Rage. Swift Rage is used when you're trying to hype someone up, but you're like super mad about it, like, let's go, come on, let's do it. Next we have Not Like This. Not Like This is used when something goes wrong. So for example, if someone died in the game and they could be like, not like this. Pretty much self-explanatory. And then we have Failfish, which in a normie term is facepalm. And I think it's kind of funny that they all start with F because there's also this term used on Twitch called press F in chat, boys. I actually learned this from Minecraft, but apparently it's from Call of Duty. And F in chat basically just means press F to pay respect. So when somebody dies in a game or somebody fails at something, you tell your chat, press F in chat, boys. Next we have Bible Thump. Bible Thump is pretty easy, self-explanatory, it's a crying emote. And then you have Craigasm. Craigasm is used when a streamer says something kind of suggestive, or if they did a really clean sweep or something in game that just makes you feel very like that kind of excitement, like almost like orgasmic. So Craigasm. Resident Sleeper. This is when you're so bored you fall asleep. League of Legends streams, Valorant streams. I get it, I know. I stream League, I stream Valorant. Sometimes it's just not that fun to watch, you guys. It's one of those games that it's super fun to play, but unless you're like super pro, it's really not all that fun to watch. I get it, I know. Resident Sleeper. Such a Resident Sleeper stream. PogChamp. Okay, PogChamp has been on Twitch for a while. PogChamp is basically this guy doing the, which basically means that he's excited. So there's spin-offs that's used on Better TTV, which is Poggers, spelled in all caps, and PogU, which is basically PogChamp facing forward. It just basically means that you're excited. So sometimes when a Twitch streamer says something like, oh my gosh, I got the best role on that game, Poggers. Oh my god, I did that, Poggers. Oh my god, I won this game, Poggers. Poggers. Next up, this is Trihard and this is Come On Bruh. I've only seen Come On Bruh in my chats, but it's basically used by my mods when someone is doing something sus. However, I guess in the real Twitch emote meaning, it's when somebody says something racist. I've literally never seen anyone use Trihard, so maybe on a bigger streamer's stream chat you might see that. At least I just haven't seen it on mine. Next up, we have Dance Game. I can't really find a clear picture of Dance Game. This is all I have. Dance Game is used with what face to kind of show disgust. If someone says something disgusting or makes your skin crawl, WTF, bro. Like, what the heck? PJ Salt is a very underrated one. I don't see this in my chat too often. However, I like using it. It is just basically salt, which means that you're salty. If you don't know what salty means, it just means that you're bitter about something. And then there's Forehead. Forehead is pretty much used when something is super obvious, but somebody is oblivious to it. So for example, if they're looking for something and you're like, it's right there, Forehead. Low-key toxic. You can kind of also use it in a demeaning term like, just get good, Forehead. Better TV has a new one where they kind of distort the forehead of the forehead emote into a 5-head. And that basically means big brain. High IQ means that you're really smart, so having a big brain, aka having a 5-head, is used to affirm that somebody just did a big brain play, aka a very good play. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Stay tuned tomorrow for part 2 of the Twitch emotes, because today we're just talking about the regular Twitch emotes. I guess I added some stuff that is in BTTV already. However, these are just very popular emotes that you gotta know. I can understand how it can be really confusing when you see those emotes and you're like, what does that mean? Especially if you're streaming on your phone and you don't really see the emote pop up. What does that mean? Well, now you're equipped and now you know. Stay tuned for part 2 where I teach you guys the other part of the Twitch emote culture. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and hit subscribe because that would help me a lot. I'm doing a 30-day challenge where I'm posting a YouTube video every single day. I initially thought that this was going to be more of a lifestyle channel. However, because I'm a streamer myself, my content tends to skew towards more gaming related stuff. I have my socials down below as well if you guys would like to follow me on Twitch. And as I always say, when I say you're part of the Chibi family, you say #winning team. Take care guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow for part 2 of our Twitch emote video. Bye!